Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear your browser cache to fix Claude login or loading issues. If Claude won't load properly, keeps showing a blank screen, gets stuck on the login page, fails to load conversations, or behaves unexpectedly, one of the most effective troubleshooting steps is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store website data locally to help pages load faster. While this usually improves performance, outdated cached files can sometimes prevent websites like Claude from functioning correctly. Before clearing your cache, it's helpful to understand what this process does. Your browser saves images, scripts, settings, and other website data so it doesn't have to download everything again each time you visit a site. However, when Claude updates its website or when cached files become corrupted, your browser may continue using old data, leading to login errors, loading issues, or broken features. The first step is to open your browser settings. Most modern browsers place the menu in the upper right corner of the window. Look for the menu icon, open it, and locate the section related to privacy, security, or browsing data. The exact wording varies slightly between browsers, but the option is usually easy to find. Once you're in the privacy or security section, look for an option labeled something similar to Clear Browsing Data, Delete Browsing Data, or Clear History. Selecting this option will open a window where you can choose what information to remove. Next, choose the appropriate time range. If you're troubleshooting a persistent Claude issue, selecting All Time is usually the most effective option because it removes all stored cached data that might be causing conflicts. You should also make sure that both cached images and files and cookies and site data are selected. After confirming your selections, start the clearing process. Depending on how much browsing data is stored, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the process is complete, close the browser completely and then reopen it. This ensures the browser starts with the newly cleared data. Now, return to Claude and sign in again. Since the old cached files and cookies have been removed, your browser will download fresh versions of the website components. In many cases, login problems, loading errors, missing conversations, and display issues are resolved immediately after this step. If Claude is still not working correctly, try opening the site in a private or incognito window. This creates a clean browsing session that doesn't use most stored browser data. If Claude works in private mode but not in your normal browser window, the issue is often related to cached data, cookies, or extensions. By clearing cached files, removing outdated cookies, restarting your browser, and signing in again, you can resolve many of the most common Claude login and loading issues without needing any advanced technical knowledge. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.